In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change availability on Square appointments. Whether you're managing your own schedule or overseeing a team, Square's platform provides a versatile solution to keep everyone's time organized and transparent. So let's dive straight into the step-by-step process to ensure you can update availability with ease and efficiency. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to Square's main page. Here you're presented with a broad overview of the services Square offers, from payment processing to appointment scheduling. Look for the Sign In button. It's your gateway to accessing the features you need to manage your appointment schedules. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you'll type in your email address followed by your password. Make sure these details are correct to avoid any login hiccups. Once you've filled in your details, hit the Sign In button to proceed. If you've input everything correctly, you'll be taken to the Square dashboard, which is the heart of where all your management tasks begin. From the dashboard, let's navigate to the Staff and Payroll section. This area is specifically designed to manage your team and their working hours efficiently. It's important to ensure you have the correct permissions if you're adjusting availability for others. If you're adjusting your own, you're already good to go. Now look for the Shift option within the Staff and Payroll section. This will bring you to the Schedule Management area. Here we're interested in the Availability setting. It's where you'll make the adjustments to when you or your staff are available to take appointments. Once you're in the Availability section, it's time to select the staff member whose availability needs updating. Square allows for precise control over each individual's schedule, ensuring that availability accurately reflects when they're supposed to be on shift. This is particularly useful for businesses with rotating shifts or varying availability amongst team members. Now for the finer details, setting the start and end times. This part is intuitive. Simply add the start time and end time for the availability you're entering. This specificity allows for a granified control over schedules, ensuring that customers can only book appointments during the set times. A notable feature of Square's scheduling tool is the ability to repeat availability across different days. This is immensely helpful for creating consistent schedules without the need to enter availability day by day. Once you've set the initial availability and selected which days it repeats on, make sure to click Save to finalize the changes. Remember, keeping your availability up to date is crucial for avoiding overbookings and ensuring your team can manage their time effectively. It also enhances the customer experience by providing accurate information on when services are available, leading to a smoother booking process. In summary, changing availability on Square appointments is straightforward and user-friendly. From logging into your dashboard to navigating to the Staff and Payroll section and adjusting individual or group availabilities, each step is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. Don't forget the importance of saving your changes to ensure that all updates are applied immediately. This will help maintain an efficient, organized, and customer-friendly scheduling system. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to change availability on Square appointments. With these steps, you'll find managing schedules to be a more streamlined experience, giving you and your team the flexibility needed to adapt to changes and keep your operations running smoothly. Happy scheduling!